it like thinkable. Have you think it's centripetal? I spent the 16s by force, it's incredible. Giving it into my must, never be minimal bust. Lyrical and never plus, making the critics just us. Living with passion, the rush, never be feeling enough. Get a ripper with the flip of a pencil when I proceed to bust. And it's just that I have to say, skill is what I fracture with. The instrumental massive, this is not to an activist. Writing less with curves, so I'm shifting up as average. All I see is the main in the story, I'm antagonist. Ain't that you make some noise?
Yo, what groupie, your words move me. Far intelligent girl, not the average groupie. I love the shit that you put on loose leaf. When I spit, they be like, who's he? When she spit, they be mesmerized. Let's step inside, forget a guy. Let's rap 111 times. I was born on a day like this to spit raps that would never ever spray like this. Nobody is like me, everybody's different. I love the way she's flipping it and killing it ridiculous. Ruby, I saw her on World Star, no YouTube. I let a few dudes know she could do lose.
Yes.
She is dope as hell, would you choose? She was probably rapping when y'all cats was watching Blue's Clues. Who's who with this rap game? New with the rap pain, new with the rap paint. You damn can't change this damn brains. I bang your mind, make you change your brain like you was fucking Frankenstein. Y'all make some noise for Rubio,
Yes.
she's murdering it. Yo, it's IBARRA. Yo, y'all need to go home and look her up online. It's Ruby, R-U-B-Y, I-B-A-R-R-A. Please look her up, she's dope as hell.
That's why I gave her the Heather B. All Clocks Down instrumentals. That's a rugged female, you feel me? Hey!
Alright,
Give it up, motherfuckers!
Yo, thank you very much for blessing on stage.
One up to Ruby!